Hi everyone, I am Bindeshwar, and in this video you will understand exponentiation and modulus operators. So let's get started. In code you can see that at first line a is equal to 3. That means a refers 3. So wherever a will be used, value is 3. If you see line number 2, b is equal to 4. It means b refers to 4, and wherever b is used, value is 4. Now the third line is important. C is equal to a star star b. So here variable c refers a to the power b, and star star is exponentiation operator. And see that the value of c would be 3 to the power 4. And finally print function will send value of c to the output screen. And in this case it is 81. 3 to the power 4. That means 81. So you have seen about exponentiation operator. Now see about remainder operator. So remainder operator is used to calculate remainder when a number is divided by another number. So let us take an example. In this case I have taken a refers 15 and the second number b refers 4. And when b divides a, so remainder would be 3. So here see that percentage is used for a remainder operator, and it will give the value 3, because when you divide 15 by 4, so the value would be 3, remainder would be 3. So C will refer to that remainder